So this is a forward to the 4th edition.
This 4th edition of Alcoholics Anonymous came off press in November 2001 at the start of a new millennium.
Can you highlight 2001? We are in 2019, and if you look at the editions, I think we should have a new edition coming out soon. In the next few years, we should have another edition. Okay.
Since the 3rd edition was published in 1976, worldwide membership of AA has just about doubled to an estimated 2 million or more, with nearly 100,800 groups meeting in approximately 150 countries around the world. Literature has played a major role in AA's growth, and a striking phenomenon of the past quarter century has been the explosion of translations of our basic literature into many languages and dialects. In country after country where the AA seed was planted, it has taken root, slowly at first, then growing by leaps and bounds when literature has become available. Currently, Alcoholics Anonymous has been translated into 43 languages.
Stop, can you highlight? Currently, Alcoholics Anonymous has been translated into 43 languages. So some of you at the bottom of your page might have something written. Can you read if you have it at the bottom of your page?
In 2014, Alcoholics Anonymous is in 69 languages.
69 languages. In what year?
2014.
2014. In 2019, we have 70 languages. We have now 70 languages. It's massive. It's big.
What's that extra language?
71 you got? We've got 71 languages. So we have somebody with a brand new copy of the book, and now it's 71 languages. So I need to change my book. Wow. Okay, go ahead.
As the message of recovery has reached large numbers of people, it has also touched the lives of a vastly greater variety of suffering alcoholics. When the phrase, "we are not people who normally would mix," page 17 of this book, was written in 1939, it referred to a fellowship comprised largely of men and a few women, with quite similar social, ethnic and economic backgrounds. Like so much of AA's basic text, those words have proved to be far more visionary than the founding members could ever have imagined. The stories added to this edition represent a membership whose characteristics of age, gender, race and culture have widened and deepened to encompass virtually everyone the first 100 members could have hoped to reach.
Okay, can you highlight? Of age, gender and race and culture have widened and have deepened to encompass virtually everyone the first 100 members could have hoped to reach.
While our literature has preserved the integrity of the AA's message, sweeping changes in society as a whole are reflected in new customs and practices within the fellowship. Taking advantage of technological advances, for example, AA members with computers can participate in meetings online, sharing with fellow alcoholics across the country or around the world. Fundamentally, though, the difference between an electronic meeting and the home group around the corner is only one of format. In any meeting anywhere, AAs share experience, strength and hope with each other in order to stay sober and help other alcoholics. Modem to modem or face to face, AAs speak the language of the heart in all its power and simplicity.
Can you highlight modem to modem or face to face? AA speaks the language of the heart in all its power and simplicity. And some of you have all copies of the big book, might have had a little bit of the text missing because I don't have some of the information you just provided in my book.